Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the device so the change sticks reliably. Unlock the phone and, once done, open Settings and tap Display or Lock Screen depending on your OS. You do this because Always on Display requires the display subsystem and sometimes specific lock screen permissions. Make sure battery level is sufficient or plug into power to avoid interruptions. Once the display page loads, you're ready for the next configuration step. Now find the Always on Display or Ambient Display option and flip the toggle on. You're enabling a persistent, low-power screen state. Choose what you want shown, clock, notifications, or a minimal image, because simpler content uses less power and reduces burn-in risk. Next, set a schedule or choose Always On, adjust brightness down, and pick a timeout or lift-to-wake interaction. These choices balance visibility with battery life, so pick the compromise you prefer. Finish by locking the device and checking that the Always on Display appears as configured. You want to confirm visibility and notification access. If content is missing, make sure lock screen notifications and relevant permissions are allowed, and that your chosen wallpaper or clock style is supported. If it still fails, reboot the device, disable battery saver, and install OS updates. These steps often resolve driver or power management conflicts. If problems persist, consult device support for hardware-specific guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.